So the stonework is done, which is an enormous relief. It's been a massive part of the project, both in terms of the logistics of just doing stonework, which is always demanding, and of cost, but also of the aesthetics and about bedding the building into the location and really making it feel like it's a part of the landscape as opposed to something sort of plonked on it. And I think using local stone is a really important way of respecting context, both of the geology of the area, but the existing buildings if you're in a stone-dominated build area like we are. Nearly all the houses in this area are built from the local stone. This part of Oxfordshire is absolutely famous for its ironstone, which has this lovely colour and these lovely iron oxide veins. So I wanted to use the local stone. There's often a real internal or a design dialogue decision to be made between using stone over a brick, and I think aesthetically they do similar but also very different things. Within this building we wanted to have a randomness of course depth. We wanted to have a sort of an organicness to the finish. We wanted to have a variation. Now you can do these things with brick, but the coursing on a brick is always the same. They're a module. So it's always exactly the same, whereas we've got a series of different course depths and very random lengths. But it means you can have the window piers or the stone piers whatever width you want because you can dress the stonework. Whereas if we were doing a brick building, we'd have to brick module everything so that we're only doing half brick or whole brick. That's an absolute crucial part of detailing with brick is brick moduling, which you often see it done really wrong. I mean, we've got this internal curve. Now you can do an internal curve with brick, but stone can also do external curves quite tightly because you can shape each individual block. You can't do that so much with brick. So there is a flexibility with stone, an organicness with stone that you don't get so much with brick. The stone defines this project in so many ways. And it's really important that you have a good sort of partner, if you like, in your stone supplier. I don't think you can underestimate the quality difference that there can be between a good stoneyard product and a poor stoneyard product. And while one is going to be more expensive probably to buy, you've got to factor in labour. Labour is a massive part of any stonework, and the better the product that comes to you, the quicker that'll go up. So, you know, my advice would always be really research which stoneyard you use, really research the stone product you're going to use. Make sure you do sample panels so you get it absolutely clear that you're totally happy with it. Do your homework. And yes, it's going to be a large chunk of the cost on a build, but you get it right and your building will pop.